Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia at Dome. Okay, I have actually been really busy and I was not feeling fine, so I've not had a lot of time to shoot a video. But today I'll be making a makeup video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. You guys are just the best. So just stay tuned and keep watching.
Somebody ring alarm. Somebody call police. Oh, hey. Trap in a bando. Too much cake for your back. Somebody ring alarm. Somebody call police. Give me that feeling. This your back, I go kill me. Yeah. You got me falling. I can hear your body calling. You know I'm trying to bag it. Your body really.
Alright guys, I'll be starting with my brows, and I'm going with my black eye pencil. I'm not using any other color, just the black. I know how to use my black very well, so it depends on how you know how to use yours. But me, I know how to use my black eye pencil. That will not make it look too dark, but okay. And the eye pencil is Davis in color 1. I'm just gonna fill that up. When drawing your brows, you make sure you don't darken the top side. Okay, that I'm actually laughing at myself because I'm actually using my left hand to draw my left brows. I don't know how to use my right. I don't know. Then I'm trying this new foundation, and I want to see how it looks like and how it's going to come out. So I'm just going to try this on. No, it's not new anyway. I actually used it one time like that. It's an old old concealer, 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, but it's quite light. I wanted to just see how it looks like, and that's just how it is there. But I don't like the way it is though, so I just had to add my LA Girl Pro concealer in warm honey to it to give me what I want. Cause I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that out. Take my time and blend it out very well. Actually, I don't like the concealer. It's not giving me what I want, so I'm just going to put my LA Girl there underneath. With the cloud. So people, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll be actually posting my first vlog on Sunday. My friend is having a birthday party. I'll be doing her makeup, and I'll be doing a get ready with me video. That a get ready with me video and my outfit and all like that. So please guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm just going to do the same thing I did the thigh. I feel like my left brow is quite different from the other one, but anyways, I am going to arrange it. I'll do that up. I'll arrange it up. Like I was saying, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification button below. I'll be doing my first vlog. Please people, support a girl. And that's my sister looking for what I don't know there. I'm in a school area. I'm in my final year, mass communication, potential journalist. So I'm just going to use my concealer to tap on top my eyeball. I'm setting the base for my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to do that perfectly well. Then I'm going in with a powder that's of the same color with the eyeshadow. There's this thing people are always saying about makeup, giving rules and regulation in makeup. Sorry to say, that's why the word makeup artist, the meaning of artist it means like going out of the box. Makeup has no rules, man. There are no rules. There's no way it was written. Somebody just sat down. I just came up with this idea, and it is just going viral, and people keep coming with other ideas. So there's no rule in makeup. Just do You can just do it anyhow you want to do it, as long as you have a very good result. That's just the reason. That's just the point. As long as you have a very good result. There are no rules in makeup. There's no book, or there's no any dictionary where it was written that makeup must be like this. It must be that way. Hell no. There are no rules in makeup. You just do what you feel you're good at. That's just it. For my eyeshadow, I'm going in with a dark shade from Dust Star. Dust Day Star. I'm going with a darker shade, and I'm just going to use my blending brush to blend that out. Don't worry, I made a lot of mistakes, but I'm correcting it anyway. I corrected them. So the key, like I said, the key to every very good makeup is blending. It doesn't matter how you apply, but as long as you blend well, then fine, it goes well. I'm just going to blend that out. Forgive my camera, it's getting blur at some point, but anyways, I'm sure you're understanding it perfectly well. Now I'm creating my cut crease. Why? The reason, okay, this is how I do my cut crease. I don't just draw it in like that. I just tap on it and keep following the same shape I'm following. You just keep tapping. This is mostly for beginners. This kind of cut crease is mostly for beginners. This is the easiest way, not this kind, sorry, anybody can do it, not even beginners or anybody, but this is the easiest way to cut crease. You just tap on it and keep following it up. That's how you cut crease, especially for beginners. If your hand is not too straight yet for drawing in like that, just keep tapping until you get what you want. At this point, I'm going into yellow color. I've forgotten the name of this palette, but I'll put everything down at my description area. I'll put everything, every detail down in my description area. The name of the palette, everything. So I'm just going in with this and making sure I follow it up well. When applying your eyeshadow, you just tap on it, you don't draw it in. Okay, now I'm going to line my eye. Sure, your eyelining depends on the kind of eyeshadow you want to put, or the kind of design you want to do on your face. So this eyelining I'm doing right now is due to the fact, or due to what I'm actually doing. Like I said earlier, this eyelining is due to the kind of look I am actually creating. That's me applying my foundation. Before I apply my foundation, I actually applied a lighter foundation underneath my eye, because I have an under eye makeup I'm going to do. So I just wanted to set that the base. Like I said, there are no rules to makeup. You do as you are directed, and as long as it comes out nice, though, fine, you're doing a good job then. Now I'm going to conceal. I'm going to highlight. Sorry, I'm using my concealer to highlight. Sorry guys, I actually put too much. This is too much. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Don't put too much. Actually put too much. You will see while I'm actually trying to blend it in. It's quite too much for me, but I'm going to correct it up anyway. I'm still going to correct it up with my contour and other things, but this is quite too much. That's me opening my mouth there because it's too much. Yeah, for my underwater eye, I I used pink color, and I'm going under with a black eyeshadow, and I'm blending it out. Girl, you made of me. I'm using Sacha Buttercup to set my face. There are a lot of setting powders, but I like Sacha Buttercup. I like the Nine. Huda is also another good one. So I'm just going to set my face with Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going to leave it to bake. While I'm baking, I apply my lashes. My lashes are mink hair eyelashes. I'm a big fan for long lashes, so my false lashes are mink hair. So when I like to dry down, there are a lot going on around me, so the noise is much. I'm just going to blend out. And I'm going to contour my face. My highlighter, I'm using one of my old glow eliminator. I've forgotten the name, but it's rose red. I think rose red. I mean rose gold. Sorry, rose gold. That's the name. It's a single bronzer like that. I bought it for like it's been long. I bought it. Oh, this is the finished look. Oh, that's my hair. I love that hair. Box braid, but a big one. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I love you all. I really appreciate you. So bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye.
Bye.